Hi, I'm Dwayne Marino. I've been in the car business since I was 16 years of age. This is my fourth recession, downturn, weirdness with COVID in the car business. You know, first thing we thought we were gonna be locked out, then it opens up, then we explode, grosses go through the roof, volume takes off. Who would have seen this coming? Now we don't have inventory. We have computer chip shortages and problems, and you don't have any used cars. So I'm gonna show your people how to become buyers of used cars, how to fill your lot full of product that you can resell, how to lead generate in today's market using video, text, email, phone, visiting businesses, databases, all kinds of stuff that you can utilize, how to do test drives on vehicles you don't have, how to switch people, how to switch to get rich, and how to do proposals either online, on the phone, face-to-face in the showroom. So it's a really dynamic 2 hours. I want you to click the link below for the details on exactly what this offering is, how to register, how to sign up. It's virtual and virtual only. So here's the benefits of that. Stay at your dealership, stay at home. Don't talk to other people from other businesses. Stay safe, affordable, no travel costs, 2 hours. See you soon. Click the link, see you soon.